Hey Ghosty Boys, what's going on? Listen, me and Ace, we're sitting here at our favorite Vietnamese restaurant. Oh, y'all look at that. Don't that look good? Look at that soup. Oh, hey Ace.
Hey.
Anyway, people, listen, we're fixing to get ready to go on a hunt. You're gonna love this one. It does have some death in it. Somebody died that we know of, but you're gonna be surprised. Watch the video and make sure that you smash that like button, subscribe, share, and hit the alert button, buddy, because that's going to keep our videos going. It's going to help us climb the ladder
And help us with motivation.
Do what, Ace?
And help us with motivation.
We'll cut that out. And help us with motivation. Like we need some motivation, right? Hoorah! Hoorah!
You're a nerd.
The nerd called me a nerd. Alright, well listen, we're going to get off here real quick. We are going to go to that house, right?
Need to.
You in the shot? Okay. So, we'll get on out, we'll finish eating, and we will catch you ghosty boys later.